Is Instagram refusing to load on your mobile data, but works fine on Wi-Fi? Super frustrating, right? Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you through exactly how to fix Instagram when it's stuck on mobile data. Stick around till the end, because the last fix usually solves it for good. Let's start with something simple: airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Now tap the airplane icon. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This refreshes your network quickly. If Instagram still isn't working, let's check mobile data settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on Mobile Service or Cellular. Scroll down to Mobile Data, then tap on Show All. You'll see a list of apps here. Make sure the toggle is on next to Instagram. Still not working? Time to check for an app update. Open your App Store, tap Search, and type in Instagram. Tap on the Instagram app from the results. If you see the option to update, tap it and install the latest version. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future iPhone tips like this. Next, let's try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Let your phone restart, then open Instagram again to check. Still stuck? Don't worry, our final fix is a network reset. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings on the pop-up. Your phone will restart. Once it's back on, open Instagram and check. It should now work perfectly on mobile data. After all these steps, Instagram should now be loading smoothly over mobile data. If not, there may be a temporary network issue. Try switching SIMs or contacting your provider. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if this helped fix your Instagram issue, and let me know what other iPhone problems you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.